So if you see this green color here, this is the virus, okay? So what happened, there is type 1 alveolar cell in the lung and type 2 alveolar cell. The thanks God that it infect only type 2 alveolar cell. Why it infect only type 2 alveolar cell? Because this particular alveolar cell has a specific kind of receptor called ACE2 receptor, okay? So this virus goes and bind to this ACE2 receptor, and we know very well now, and like S protein of virus, very famous as scariest protein of the virus. Everybody knows now, oh, this virus has S protein, which is very scary. Why? Because that is the protein which bind to the cell. So virus can bind to the cell receptor, and then it can go inside the cell to create all these problems. So anyway, so here the virus with ACE2 receptor alveolar type 2 lung cell and goes inside, and it does the specific kind of life cycle, which is called lytic cycle, where when it goes, take over your cell system and multiply and kill the cell and come out with millions of cells. So what it does, it goes and does the tissue injury because killing, okay, and then infiltrate to other cells from there, okay. Then what happens once it happens, our own immune system immediately try to basically neutralize it. I try to manage it. So a lot of neutrophil, monocyte, all these things come inside and start secreting a lot of pro-inflammatory cytokine, which is you can see IL-6, IL-8, TNF-alpha, like tumor necrosis factor alpha, all these things, okay. Right. And then this also, this monocyte changes here, which is doing all these things, bad cytokines. So now this is happening here. Here you can see this is same thing is shown much detail this side, like IFN, gamma, TGF, beta, TNF alpha, all these things for myofibroblast differentiation and do the lung fibrosis. The fibrosis means the lung is now not having elasticity, okay, like fibrosed. It's unable to expand. Yeah, exactly.